Today we're going to solve a probability question. But first of all, pause here and try it for yourself. Okay, here we go. The most important thing to remember in a probability question is to read the statement. Oftentimes students get the question wrong because they've not read the statement properly. So let's start with that. A coin is flipped twice. What is the probability of getting 2 heads? Now we need to convert it into a scenario. What they're saying is a coin is flipped. They've not said it's an unfair coin, so we're going to assume the probability of getting a heads is 1/2 and the probability of getting tails is also 1/2. We can see that the coin is flipped twice. So first of all, we're going to write the number of outcomes we could have. First of all, this is called a sample space. Let's define that. The first scenario is that we could have a heads in the first and a tails in the second row. Second scenario is we could have a heads and another heads. The third scenario is that we could have a tails and a heads, and the fourth scenario would be that we get a tails and a tails. Now that we have our sample space, we know the total number of outcomes are 4. Since our desired probability is getting 2 heads, that is this option over here, and it's only available once. That means our desired outcome is only available once, and the total outcomes are 4. Hence, our probability for getting 2 heads on a fair coin that's flipped twice is going to be 1/4. That we can see is option A. Hope this helped. We'll go beyond this in the next video.